Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Update iOS and WhatsApp, sign into your Apple ID, and confirm iCloud Drive is active so backups can store. Once done, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. Tap End-to-End Encrypted Backup to begin setup. You'll be asked to create a password or generate a 64-digit encryption key. Choose one you can keep safe. Make sure your device stays online while the initial encrypted backup is created so nothing gets interrupted. Next, verify the people you message. Open a chat, tap the contact name, then encryption, and compare the security code or scan the QR together to confirm end-to-end identity. Then enable two-step verification under Settings Right Arrow Account to add a PIN that prevents account hijack. Also, store your encrypted backup password or 64-digit key somewhere safe. Without it, you cannot restore an encrypted backup. These steps make sure messages stay unreadable to anyone who lacks your keys. Finish by running a manual chat backup with end-to-end encryption enabled. Watch until completion. If you need to restore, sign into the same Apple ID on the other iPhone, enable iCloud Drive, install WhatsApp, and restore using your backup password or key. If something goes wrong, first confirm iCloud storage space, network connection, and that you're signed into the correct Apple ID. If the backup fails repeatedly, toggle iCloud Drive off and on. Reboot the phone, then retry the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.